What's up, folks? My name is Felix. Welcome back to this short update today on ARK Finance. I will give you the insights on what's happening in the background, on what the team is currently working on, how the price is looking, and what I'm exactly doing. Before we start into the video, it's a great day in crypto. The whole market is green. And this has basically two reasons. Currently, as I'm recording this video, there might be some more good news in the future, but Ripple here, as you can see, almost 30% in the last 30 minutes. And this has to do because the SEC said that Ripple or XRP is not a security. And in the same hour, there is a news that Europe will have its first Bitcoin spot ETF. So such a great day in crypto, and I think we can be all very excited what will be happening in the future. A chart that does look like the XRP chart, but in the other way, is the ARK Finance chart. We are currently sitting at roughly 31 cents, and there's still not enough revenue, not enough new capital which is coming in to sustain a new price level. As we can see here, on a daily basis we have more sell volume than buy volume, and as long as that trend continues, the price will continue to go down. How do my current statistics look? I am sitting at a balance of 1,700 BUSD, which is equal to around 5,500 ARK token. I'm currently collecting my ARK tokens because I think they will have some utility in the ARKnet products which will be released in the future. And that's also a thing I'm very excited about. The ROI debt currently and since a few weeks is struggling, obviously. But if we take a look on the roadmap, that's in my opinion the more important thing, and see what will be coming in Q3 and Q4 this year. We have the physical prepaid debit card, the so-called Terra card, which will launch. We will have the decentralized VPN service, the decentralized cloud storage, the decentralized password manager, and a email service, which will all be available through one platform and has a lot of use cases for many people all over the world. And in Q4, we will see the Polygon ZK EVM migration, the Goldpack stablecoin, and the DEX and the automated market maker. So the outlook, especially on the ARKnet products, is looking very good. For example, I did a dedicated video to the air card and the on and off ramps. There will be a more specific video in around 1 to 2 weeks where I show you how it's working here in Germany or especially in Europe, where you can use it, where it doesn't work, how high the fees are for the on and off ramps, and so on. And if you bought in the ARKnet pre-seed contract, which most of you should have, I think we are in a very good position for the launch of these products. As I already said, they will have a lot of use cases for many people out there. They just announced in yesterday's podcast that they are working together with a marketing agency, that they will market all these products together. So all these decentralized privacy products, the cards and the ROI debt, and of course also ARK Lite. So you might have not heard of ARK Lite yet, because this was also on the roadmap. And ARK Lite will basically be a Web 2.0 version of the current ROI debt, so of the Web 3.0 version. And the main difference will be that you will be able to log in through an email and a password into the new version, and it will be a separate page. And it hopefully will help to onboard new people which are not used to the Web 3.0 way. And they also just announced in yesterday's podcast that it will have a lower APR, if I got that right. Correct me down in the comment section if I didn't get that right. But I think that's what Atlas said. I don't think they will reduce the daily rewards in the Web 3.0 ROI debt, because they always said they will never change the rules here, never change the rules while the game is ongoing. I think that's the right way, but in the new version, which is called ARK Lite, there will be a lower APR. So I'm very excited to see how that plays out. And the last thing I wanted to announce is that they just said they will have their first AMA next Wednesday to promote the air card and all the other products. So if you're interested, this will be posted probably in their Telegram and in their Discord that you can join. I can recommend joining their daily podcast, which is taking place at 8:15 p.m. UTC every single day. So just get in there, listen to at least the first 10 to 20 minutes, and you will be up to date what's happening in the background, what products they are currently working on, and what will be coming in the future. That should do it for this update video. If you like this short update video, it would be great if you can hit the like button. Thanks for watching, and let's get this crypto.